Hello everyone and welcome to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Monday 27th of July. The dollar weakness that has been developing over recent days has really taken on now. You can see this dollar index, which is broken below the March low, 94.63, just continues lower. It's been affecting across the Forex major pairs. You've seen euro dollar 117 big figure. It was 115 big figure we were talking about last week about being a key breakout point. Well, 117 figure now. Gold all-time high at 1940. Wow, that's a really strong level. And look at silver, 6% up on the day. An incredible run higher that we've seen. 25%, I think silver has rallied since Monday last week. Wow, that's incredible. So yeah, we are seeing that. Treasury yields are drifting lower, not really pulling sharply though, and the 10-year is into this sort of band between 54 basis points up towards 60 area. Still not really breaking sharply lower, but that move to the downside coming as the dollar is weakening really does suggest that the market is sort of pricing for US economic underperformance now. And certainly not really helped by the PMI data that we got through last Friday, the flash PMIs, which showed the US sort of holding ground rather than expanding into July. And again, that's a concern. Obviously, July is when we're likely to start to see the economic impact of the entry into sort of lockdown procedures in the US. So that is obviously a concern. But equity markets in the States fell two sessions in a row. A little bit of a pickup today on the E-mini futures. Sort of reflected through the European markets, really, basically mixed to slightly flat to positive marginally. But yeah, nothing really doing in terms of direction there. But the main factors we're seeing are through the dollar and the dollar weakness, which is playing out. Oil being a bit flat is a little bit of a concern, certainly given the fact that broadly speaking, risk appetite has been sort of positive through equity markets. Oil price not really going anywhere, not really managing to break out or decisively hold a breakout is a little bit of a concern, admittedly. But yeah, the dollar underperformance is really significant actually at the moment. Now, in terms of data points today, we've got the German IFO numbers out early morning this morning. Actually showed an improvement on the headline on business climate to 90.5. But look at how IFO current conditions improved, but not as well as they could have done. But look at the expectations component, really strong, 97, really big jump from 91.4. So that's obviously playing into the minds of traders where the euro is stronger today. Later this afternoon, we've got for June, the durable goods numbers for June. So expected a rebound of 3.5% in June from May on the ex-transport core data. But yeah, essentially, as I said, July remains a bit of a focus at the moment for data. So may well be sort of looked past that data. So let's have a look at my chart of the day, which is Aussie yen. Now, Aussie yen tends to be seen as a bit of an indicator of risk appetite, and it's back to a key trend line, isn't it? This key uptrend that we've seen since April, almost a 4-month uptrend there. And you can tighten that uptrend to this pink one that I've drawn in here. And they're both basically crossing over, confluence of trend lines coming around about the breakout support. 75.15, that breakout back from early July. It's pulled back to 74.65, but essentially that's a band of support now that needs to hold. To really suggest that this uptrend and the recovery is still on track. So if you saw, for example, 74 figure broken this July low, that would be a consideration for a deterioration in risk appetite, deterioration in Aussie yen lower, and certainly a concern for how markets are treating risk. You've got 53 on RSI, around about the point at which these rallies tend to kick off. So as I said, this really is a bit of a confluence level and an inflection point potentially for markets. So we're looking for this to be a key moment potentially for Aussie yen, and you could read that through the markets as you wish. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. You can click here to subscribe to our analysis videos, go to our website to sign up for our webinars, but also click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.